let's break this down a little bit. So you've got $250,000 a transaction, which means that approximately 40 transactions will get you to your goal, which is fine. Just full disclaimer, I think that I don't know what the market's going to look like in 2023. I anticipate that 40 transactions this year is going to be harder than 40 transactions last year. I think the goal this year, as much as 40 transactions is a big one, but it's to set up all of the systems and everything in place so that even if you didn't hit 40 transactions this year, next year you'd have a lot easier time setting that up. And I think that your head's in the right path, right track by saying YouTube channel, for example. That's going to be a big one. Right? Because if we relate back to what you were saying before about the not needing really to sign a BRA, the only reason you can get away with that is because you're providing so much value so consistently that it's a no-brainer. Of course they're going to work with you. But you need to be providing that value consistently enough so that it is a no-brainer. Because not signing a BRA because you're providing so much value is a nice idea in theory. But if you don't execute on that value, which you're doing right now, and we need to kind of scale that up. But if you hypothetically weren't providing on that value, then that I'm not going to make you sign a BRA strategy doesn't work.